If you want to go viral on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, do this as soon as possible. The niche I'm about to show you is not competitive yet, so it's better to do it fast before it gets more saturated. At the end of this video, I will share a secret that the big YouTubers are hiding from you. So let's start the process. The niche I'm about to show you is the dark psychology niche. Let me show you an example channel. This channel only has 55 short videos, but it has around 488,000 subscribers, and it's monetized. Now you understand how valuable this niche is. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial to creating videos like this using only AI. Let me show you a sample video that I have created before.
Love bombing is a deceptive dating strategy employed by individuals with narcissistic and abusive tendencies. This manipulative tactic is particularly perilous as it capitalizes on the vulnerabilities and natural inclinations of the rooted in dark psychology. Love bombing is predominantly utilized in romantic relationships and friendships.
So let's dive in. First, we need a name for this channel. Let's ask ChatGPT to give me 10 name ideas for a dark psychology YouTube channel. As you can see here, we have some amazing name ideas. I really like this one. I'm going to select it. Now we need a logo and a banner for our channel. For this process, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. It's a free art generating AI tool, and it's very easy to use. As you can see here, there are a lot of images. Let's select this one and click Generate using this model. Now all you have to do is select a correct size from the side menu and select the number of generations, and then simply type this prompt. Then hit the Generate button, just like this. If you are not satisfied with the results you got, then you can change the prompt and try again. Make sure to select an interesting image. Now we need a banner for our channel. Let's go to Canva and create a banner. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for free. Go to Create Design and select YouTube Banner. This banner should be simple and clean. In this side menu, you can see that there are a lot of templates that we can use. We can select one of them and change it according to our niche. I will select this one. Let's change the title to Dark Psychology. I will add a new background image as well. Go to Elements from the side menu and search for any image you want. I will add a darker background like this. I think this would be enough. Let's download it. The next step is creating the videos. We need to come up with a script. First, we need to find facts about dark psychology using Google. Once you find that, copy the part you want from that article like this. Let's ask ChatGPT to change it a little bit so that we don't get any copyright problems. Asking ChatGPT to rewrite this paragraph and copy the paragraph you selected. ChatGPT will rewrite it. Now we can use this without any issues. Next step is to make voiceovers. We are going to use one of the text-to-speech RE tools. Now you can select a suitable AI voice from here. I would recommend using a deeper voice. When you are done with selecting the voice, copy the script we generated using ChatGPT and click Generate. It will generate your voiceover within a few seconds. Now, we are done with the voiceovers as well. Now we need to find suitable images for our video background. Again, I will use Leonardo AI for that. Just like we did before, select a model and use this same prompt. Make sure these images are in line with the script. We are talking about dark psychology, so we need images that can show to audience a manipulation and dark things. If you want different results, you can change it. We will need around 6 to 8 images. After you generate those, download the images that you like the most. Now, we have all the things we need to create our video. So it's time to edit our video. I'm going to use CapCut to edit these videos. It's free video editing software. You can simply download it onto your mobile or computer. Start a new project. Click this Modify button. You can change the project name and settings here and select the suitable size for short videos, which is a 9:16 ratio. After that, we need to import all the voiceovers and the images. First, drag the voiceovers to the timeline. Place these images on top of it like this. You can add images one after the other like this. If you have more images, it will increase the content quality. After you add all the images, we should add some cool transitions to get more interesting video. Go to Transition from the top menu and select one of the cool transitions from these. I really like this glitch transition effect. Add transitions in between all images. After that, let's add some video effects as well. Go to Effects from the top menu and try these effects. There are hundreds of effects here. Just play with these and make your video edit more interesting. We will give the viewer a different vibe, so make sure to add more effects. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select Auto Captions, then select English as the language and generate. It will generate the caption within a few seconds. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. You can make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Edit these text in an interesting way. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. After you are done with that, you can add some text animations as well. Go to Animations from this side menu and select a simple animation. Make sure to select all the captions before you add the animations, or you will have to add it to each text layer one by one. After that, we need to add some background music to this video. Pixabay.com is a free website where you can find any type of music and sounds, so go to that and download background music. Then add it to your timeline like this. Make sure to reduce its volume. Now we are done with the process of creating the videos as well. You can export this video for CapCut and start uploading it to your channel. Make sure to upload at least 3 videos per day. Consistency is one of the key elements to success on YouTube. Let me tell you the secret that I use to get more views and impressions on YouTube. It's the keywords. Do this simple thing and see how your results are going to increase. Find your competitors that have views more than you and use their keywords on your videos as well. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.